Just wanna see the light.
Welcome to Controlling the 3D Interface course. In this lecture, we will learn to zoom in and zoom out, rotating the 3D views, and finally panning around the object. For Blender, you strongly need a 3-button mouse so that it is easier for performing the action. Okay, now you can zoom the view by scrolling the mouse wheel up and down. You can rotate the 3D view by pressing middle mouse button and dragging. Finally, you can pan by holding Shift key and pressing the middle mouse button. If you don't have 3-button mouse, or if you are using laptop, then you can change the setting to perform this action from the user preferences. Click on File, User Preferences. At the Input tab, check the Emulate 3-button mouse. Now save user setting and close the dialog. Now you can rotate by holding Alt key and left click. You can pan by holding Alt, Shift and left click. For zooming, hold Ctrl and Alt and left click. How did you guys get on? Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next lecture.